Let's chat from No Code MBA. Now, today we're going to delve into Descript, which is a video and audio editing service, which is all based around AI and some really cool features. Now, we made a video on this recently talking about 3 features that we really like. Things like studio sound, shortening word gaps, so shortening the space between words, and then also editing from a transcript. Now, today we're going to look at a couple more features, but then go into some pricing for Descript, talk about who it's for, and also compare it to some other video editors, because this space is changing rapidly. And we've got some really good alternatives if you want to look into that. And also just to go through this video so you get a better idea about what Descript is about. So last week we talked about the studio sound, which is where you can record into your MacBook or into your phone, and it's going to wonderfully change the audio so it sounds like it's a microphone. This feature is really going under the radar at the moment. It's such a great feature because I've spent hours and hours trying different microphones, doing video, audio editing manually. This is better than any result that I can get from a professional microphone and then everything else. It takes out the background noise. It does wonderful things. So that's a great feature already. And you can do this also on other video editing platforms and also Adobe Podcast. Now, I've just tried out a new feature, which is a green screen. And this is going to only be available on a paid plan. So you can just see the difference here. It took about 2 minutes to process, which isn't too bad. But basically what it's done is it's just done a green screen. And when I press play, how she markets for people, and then you can see it's very good. I've used green screens, actually a green screen behind me. Don't need one anymore because of this software. Excellent news for people who want to just create in their own space. And this is important to know as well. When it comes to creating videos, you can now more or less get rid of your microphone and a green screen based on these tools, which is excellent. So like I said in the last video, what you can do with the editing is, if you don't want this part to be part of your video, you just simply click delete and it's gone. It's gone from your video, so you've edited that part out of your video. This is great when you just want to go through the script instead of going through the video and making the changes through the script as well. So let's have a look at the pricing now and just see some of the features that are available. So you can see here, when you choose a plan with Descript, you get the transcription in there straight away, all the editing, screen recordings, the different templates, stop media, and captions. Now, this is the important part here. When a lot of people are probably going to go creator if they're going to upgrade. Pro is for those who are using it all the time. They're doing more than 30 hours per month, or more than 10 hours per month with the editor system. So transcription hours from the first one is 1 hour a month to 10 hours a month. You get watermark-free video exports unlimited. On the free plan, you only get 1 a month. The video export resolution is up to 4K, whereas up to 720 here. Filler word removal. If you want to take these out a lot, then go to this one, 18 filler words and repeated words. That's things like, for example. Overdub, we've got 1,000 word vocabulary. Here it's unlimited. And then AI green screen up to 60 minutes. And then here, AI eye contact. AI eye contact. This is up to 60 minutes. Now, this is if you're looking at a script over here and you can see my eyes looking away. It will automatically do it so it's looking here. This can be useful if you're reading from a script from your computer. So if I'm looking at my computer and reading a script, I can use that AI eye contact to make it look like it's looking up here. That's something to play around with, and that's going to get better in time. Now, just to mention what I was saying before, some of these features are fantastic. Really, really good. They're changing the studio sound with the microphone. They're also doing the green screen. The eye contact's going to get better. Things like this is moving really quickly, and it's great news to know. Now, there are some alternatives here, and I want to just start with Final Cut Pro. Now, Final Cut Pro is something that I've used for the last 7-8 years. It's $300 to buy with free upgrades, so you're not paying monthly. Now, this is more manual-based video editing, where you can do a lot of color grading, you can edit on your timeline, you can add in different features, you can even do After Effects as well. So this is going to be more powerful when it comes to video editing if you want to really get into the details of it. However, Descript is great for those people who just want to put a video out use the studio sound to make it better, shorten the word gap straight away, and also use a green screen if that's what you want to do. Fantastic for that type of editing. Now, another video editor to think about is CapCut as well. This is quite similar to CapWing. There's CapCut and CapWing. And it has stuff like the captions here, transcript. So you can transcript video speech and you can edit the video by editing the transcript. This is the same feature that Descript has. So you can do the captions here where you transcribe it and then you can delete parts of it depending on what you want to do. This is a great tool as well. We use this especially for the shorts version, but if we continue using Descript, and then that's something we're going to consider as well. So it's definitely good to have a play around with these tools. Think about the features that you're going to use the most and go in with the tool that you think is going to benefit you. At the moment, we're really high on Descript. We think it's great. It's got a great future, and we're just going to see more and more features coming into this platform. So let us know what you think. If you want to build something with no-code tools, and we have 2 things for you. Firstly, it's our free guide to no-code tools. You can download that for free. There's a link in the description. And then we have premium courses on how to build things using Bubble, Webflow, Glide, Airtable, how to automate tasks using Zapier, how to build websites, etc. These premium courses are fantastic, so definitely check those out. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. Let us know what you think about these video editing tools, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.